Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel, Indo-Kabayan Lifestyle. Today, I am so excited to show you my original recipe, how to cook 3 types of paranthas. 2 are savories and 1 is sweet. They are all veg. Come on, join me in cooking. Our first parantha, our second parantha, and our third parantha. Thank you so much, friends, for your time, and please support our channel by clicking the subscribe button, share it, and for my upcoming videos, please click the bell button. And if you want to watch my previous videos and share also to your friends, please find links below. Thank you so much. Eat healthy, live healthy and peacefully. God bless us all.